everyone, I'm the teacher mom and today I'm going to teach you a very basic knot. It's called the bowline knot. This is how it looks. It is super easy to tie and super easy to untie. This is how you untie it. You push the lower end up and open your first knot this way. This is how you untie it. Super easy. It doesn't get tangled on itself. It doesn't get too tight. It's very easy to open. So make your rope straight. Make a loop by your lower end this way. It has to be on top of the upper end. See? It has to be on the top, remember. Now I have to take this part, the one which goes to my left, and bring it down and out of the loop. See, I'm bringing it out of the loop such that we have two loops now. See, this one and this one. We've got two loops. Okay, now I go behind our upper end, okay, and go down through our smaller loop. See, I'm going down through our smaller loop there and make it tight. There we go, our bowline knot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.